All right, guys, Tepco Cycle Repair. So the build is complete. This is the 82 GL500. This thing, I've been riding it now for a little bit. I really like it. It rides good. Suspension feels good, especially when you push it. It's got really nice seating position, and it runs great. Those 4-to-1 pods are working really good. Bike came out awesome, guys. I'm real happy with it. Let me give you some riding video. I'm gonna have my son ride next to me and give you guys some video on the road so you can see the seating position and you can listen to it. Let me fire it up a little bit here, and then I'll show you what it sounds like. Loving it. Let's go ride it. All right, guys, so I gotta say, one of the things I love about it the most are the front brakes. They work incredible. I'm the kind of rider, I only use my front brakes. I barely even touch the rears at all unless I'm sitting at a stoplight or something. But the brakes work incredible. The bike came out really good. It's comfortable, it rides good. The bar end mirrors are working out fine. Everything is good, man. You guys, if you can find one of these or any kind of bike, man, build it, make it your own, and enjoy the build, have fun with it. This one took me a little while to build, you can see from my videos, but I'm gonna put a link so you guys can check out the build series, and you'll be able to check out the whole thing and see what was involved in changing everything over. I really like it, guys. Hopefully you do the same, and you have fun watching these videos. Now it's time to find another bike, right? Please, guys, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, guys. Until next time, it's Tepco Cycle Repair.